Welcome back. We have seen that functions can be assigned to variables and passed as arguments. Now, we explore the third key aspect of first-class functions, the ability for one function to return another function as its result. This might sound abstract, but it's a powerful tool for building dynamic code generators. 1. Defining the outer and inner functions. We define an outer function, create_multiplier, which takes a factor. Inside it, we define a nested function, multiplier, which takes a number. The key step is that the outer function returns the inner function object itself, without calling it. Two, capturing and calling the return function. To use this, we first call the outer function, create_multiplier, which returns the function object. We capture this returned object in a variable, say, double_me. Now, double_me is an actual function that can be called with new arguments. Three, creating different function instances. We can call the outer function again with a different factor, say 5. This creates an entirely new function object, quintuple_me, which is permanently set to multiply by 5. This illustrates how one function can dynamically generate custom functions. To summarize, returning functions allows for function factories, a single outer function that creates many specialized, customized function objects. This advanced technique is crucial for writing clean, powerful, and reusable code structures in Python. Our next lecture 12.11. Pass any type. See you there.